If you don't like surprise dashboard lights, listen up. Want your Civic purring? This quick fix is for you. P0340 means your camshaft position sensor is acting up. That sensor tells your engine computer when to fire spark plugs. If it's not working, your Civic may run rough or not start. Here's the fix. Follow these quick steps. Pop your hood and locate the camshaft sensor. It's on the side of the engine near the valve cover. Remember, disconnect your battery before unplugging anything. Unclip the sensor's connector. Remove the sensor with a simple socket wrench. Grab your new cam position sensor from the box. It's the same one linked in the description below. Pop the new sensor into place. Tighten the mounting bolt until snug. Reconnect the wiring harness plug to the sensor. Don't forget to hook your battery back up. Fire up your Civic and listen to the idle. If the check engine light is gone and the engine's running smooth, you nailed it. Check the video description for the affiliate link. Let's keep those Civics on the road.